YouTube. This is your girl Brinks.
Seriously, mommy.
Channel. This is gonna be like a quick DIY video because it's a freaking school night, and I don't know why I decided to do this DIY tonight, but I did. But I'm coming to you guys with a DIY classroom mailbox video. This video is about TKO. So his class is doing Valentine's Day is right around the corner, right? His class is doing little mailboxes for their Valentine's Day cards, right? So, creative mom, you know, I'm the creative mom. I have to overdo it. Like, I wouldn't be me if I didn't overdo it, you guys. I wouldn't be me. So, me being me, I have to overdo it. So, we got a shoebox. Of course, we have a shoebox. Next, we have some fairy lights. I don't know what I'm going to do with these fairy lights yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using them for something on this doggone box because it has to be extra because mom is extra. I think these are the white ones. Are these white? I think these are white. It doesn't even freaking say. Like, how do y'all not say? You know what? These are colorful, y'all.
Bruh.
Mom is extra. Anyways, y'all, we got the box. We got fairy lights. We got blue wrapping paper. We got tape. We got scissors. We got an X-Acto knife. We got some Sonic. And some Sonic. And we got some Sonic figurines. I did this foam board because I have this clever idea that I'm just going to cut out a nice little circle that I can put as a ring smack dab in the middle of this box. Well, not middle of the box because I want it to be like a little open spot right there where people can like slide his little cards in. And then I'm going to also put like some little snowflakes on there. I have these snowflakes. I don't even know if I'm going to use these snowflakes, honestly. These might not get used, honestly, y'all. I just felt like they was going with the blue themes. Like, I'm not going to use those. I'm not. It is what it is. So, we're just going to go ahead and jump into this and get started. First thing first is we need to cut out the hole in the box for where the cards are going to be going. So, me thinking the hole is going to... Oh, darn it. I swear, I hate X-Acto knives, y'all. I do. I hate them with a passion. Like, they're always popping out. Bro, I'm about to use scissors. I'm so about to use scissors. I can't. I'm not about to do this. I'm not about to be doing this, bro. I'm not. Because who's about to be wasting time doing this? Like, I'm already tired. We got one more time to come out, and I'm getting the scissors. I don't even know. I don't even think that's straight. I don't think that's straight. You know what? Who cares? So you know what I should have did? I should have got my freaking ruler out. I should have got my ruler out. And I should have marked it with a freaking pencil first. Alright. Oh, you're real. You guys see us. But to be honest, like, the hole doesn't even have to be this big. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm actually gonna cut right here, straight on down. It's gonna be covered up, you know, guys, when we wrap it anyway. So nobody's even gonna see that mistake. Nobody's gonna see the mistake, okay? So, like, who knows that mistake is there besides us? Nobody. Yeah, it never happened. It was never there. All right, pull that up. All right, and then we're gonna put this X-Acto knife up because it's dangerous. We get kids in the house, and it makes me nervous. From here on out, we will be using our trusty scissors to finish up everything else. Bingo. Got our nice little split in the front, you guys. Nice little split. I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright. And I'll be back.
You and your ones. Chippy, chippy, chopper, chopper. Chippy, chippy, chopper, chopper.
Jesus Christ.
Chippy, chippy, chopper, chopper.
Alright, y'all. So I took a break and I'm back. So leave it to me to be extra, but I just had to think of something else to add to it. And you know your girl likes laminating, so of course I had to think of something to laminate. Seriously. So I came up with the idea to put a whole little Sonic scene on his little box. So you guys just stay tuned to see kind of what I come up with. Just stay tuned, you guys. Stay tuned. Because your girl got ideas up her sleeve. But I'll be back because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll be back. Alright, guys. So you'll find out that I go back and forth from my shorts recordings to like my actual YouTube video recordings. So in this I am just putting together my Sonic ring that I'm going to be putting on top of the box. So right here I am just assembling it with like one of those little wreaths that you find at Dollar Tree. It came in like a 2-pack. I'm just assembling it with some zip ties. And then next thing I did was I took 2 wooden dowels and I took this outside with the wooden dowels and I spray painted it gold. And then I also took like a white little foam piece, a white circular foam piece, and I also painted it like a really white frost white, because what I was going to do is I was going to what I did was put it in the middle of this so it makes like a completely white background, and then I used my little Sonic cutouts so that it can look like he was literally running through it, because if you guys have ever seen like the little like space things with the Sonic rings, some of them are white, like the white backgrounds that he runs through, and then some of them just like look like another world that he's running through. And the thing that I wanted to get through was like the white background. Now I could have did blue, but I felt like it was already a lot of blue in it already, so I just kind of wanted to stick to the white. And then since I had already used like my blue pen, like some of the edges on my white foam had happened to be blue, so I had to make sure that the white was completely uniform. So I just went around it with some white paint, and you guys will see a little bit of that, I think. If not, you'll see the finished product here at the end. But this is how I made that come together. All right, y'all. So one thing that I have to test before I actually put this on his box is how well this laminated paper is going to hold up on this wrapping paper. Now this is some pretty freaking thick wrapping paper, so one thing I'm worried about is the melting of this paper and the forming of this paper, and not only that, will it stick to this paper. So I decided that I'm going to test it first before I actually put it on this box, because your girl shoots for perfection. Now, a lot of times it don't come out perfect, but this is for my cutie. So, nah, we don't have do stuff for him. We do not, okay? And y'all know this is what I do. So, it's just a random piece of scrap from like pieces that I cut out. And I'm just going to like put some hot glue on the back of it. And this glue is on, right? It's on. It's on. It's still heating up. Come on. Alright, y'all. We gotta wait for it to heat up some more. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So it's finally heated up. Heat up. So now we're gonna go ahead, put some on the back of this paper. Fast. And let's just see how it holds up. Face it down. Seems to be sticking. Go back into this corner. Make sure this down. Go back into this corner. And press down. So no bubbles. Nice and flat. Of course, you got the sticky residue though, but it does easily peel away and it dries though, which makes it easy to pop up. So I don't know how comfortable I am about the fact that it's easily peelable like that, but I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm kind of for it, but then I'm like, do I want to? But I do have some E6000 too, so I'm going to try that one too. So I'll be right back. So off camera, you guys, I tried some tape. Of course, tape seems the most durable on some freaking wrapping paper. So y'all, I guess we about to be taping this laminated paper. We about to be taping the laminated paper on here. Now we will probably be using some of it for. We're going to be using a little bit of the hot glue on the back of it, and then we're going to be reinforcing it with some tape. Just man, just to make sure that bad boy is secure on here. And then we're going to go from there, y'all. And that is it. So I'm gonna put this together, y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So this part that I started is actually the box topper. So this is the one that I was telling you guys about me going outside and spray painting. This was the actual ring that I did, and I realized that originally I was going to wrap the wreath with some gold ribbon, but Dollar Tree did not have any gold ribbon, and I was completely out of gold ribbon at home. And then I thought like I could wrap it with some tape, cause like masking tape or even like electric tape could have worked, and then we could have just spray painted it with the gold as well, and it could have looked more circular. But of course, once again, you guys, I did not have any of that either, and I completely forgot to get some out. Not to mention funds are strictly limited right now, so I could not get that either. So we just kind of had to work with what we had at the time. So I kind of just made it work to my liking. So this is it all spray painted with the dowels and the middle piece put together. I have not glued the running Sonic on it yet or attached it to the box. Right now, what you guys are seeing me do is attach the lights to it because I did want it to glow and everything. I did wind up showing this to TK before he went to bed today, and I wish I could have shown you guys his reaction because it was so priceless. But you guys will actually see how it turned out at the end of this video. Just keep watching. But yeah, this is me attaching the lights onto it. These are like some small battery operated lights. They are multicolored. I have white somewhere in the house as well, but the multicolor was like perfect. I wish I had the blue ones because the blue would have been great too, or even yellow. Yellow would have been bomb. When like yellow would have been bomb too. But yes, you guys, like I really, really loved how this turned out. But just keep watching and stay tuned. Well, you guys, it is finally finished. And I know I didn't get a lot of this on the finishing stuff on camera, but I did include the clips of from my shorts. From me doing it on my shorts on camera, you guys, and this is how it turned out. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to call and show this to TK. So I hope he loves it. But yeah, this is his little Valentine's Day box for tomorrow. These, once he turns it on, he can literally just put these in the hole down there for where his cards go in. But for the most part, like it is done. And I wish you could actually see the gold more, but like the ring is gold and then the dowels are gold as well. And then on top of the box you got the little gold rings. Like I tried to put as many of the gold rings around it as I could, y'all. But yeah, this is what his box is looking like, y'all. My extra self. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know the video was kind of long, but y'all know I'm the extra parent. I had to, you know, show out for his little Valentine's Day box. So that's my baby. But until next time, you guys, and stay tuned for my Valentine's Day get ready with me makeup look and hair, because that is coming next.